So we had some good news coming out of Lucid Group. They are an EV maker, and they announced their deliveries in which they exceeded Wall Street expectations. And on the news, to begin the week, price gaps higher, but it had no legs as price closed on the lows of the day. And then the preceding 2 days, price continued to move lower. Let's get into the actual numbers, and then we will look at some levels of interest. So stay to the end if you are in Lucid or if you are thinking of buying Lucid. So Lucid Group saw its shares surge over 7% this past Monday after reporting stronger than expected fourth quarter vehicle deliveries. The EV maker announced it delivered about 3,100 vehicles in Q4, surpassing the Bloomberg consensus estimates of 2,340. Company also produced 3,386 vehicles during the quarter, with around 7% of deliveries under operating lease accounting. Now, for the full year 2024, they produced 9,029 vehicles and delivered 10,241, with 5% of annual deliveries subject to operating lease accounting. All right, so this is on the heels of Tesla, in which they reported their numbers and delivered 495,570, which was below the consensus of 512,277. All right, so let's get into the charts. We're going to zoom out to the monthly chart. And I do want to bring to your attention this drop in price, this one basing candle, and then this rally in price. So we're going to call that monthly buyers, which means that if price was to pull back, you would anticipate a reaction, as the charts are suggesting, because smart money did not get all their unfilled buy orders filled. And we'll say that's monthly buyers at $2.15. Now, I did have this little support resistance band at about $3.75. And as you can see, as price was rising, hit the bottom of this band and then reacted by pulling back. We're going to take it down to the weekly chart, and you can see again support, resistance, should serve as resistance again. Now, this candle has the makings to be a bearish engulfing candle if it ends the week further in the red, which would be very bearish for price action. And if price moves lower, there's really no levels of interest of buyers really until you get down to about 225. That's where the liquidity is at based on these high volume bars. I did have up above a weekly sellers level, and you can see you had a drop in price, one basic candle, then the drop, price revisits that level, comes in, fills those remaining unfilled sell orders, and then consumes in the direction of the overall trend. Now, one could say price is bottoming out by just looking at the moving averages. They have plateaued and based. And so we could see price move higher over the next 6 to 24 months. Let's drill down to the daily chart again. And I'm looking for levels of interest where there might be some buyers. And so I don't see anything. And so the charts are suggesting, yes, price can pull back all the way to this monthly buy level. And so for those who want to get long, want to add on to the positions, or short the stock, the chart is suggesting price could retrace another 60 or so cents. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.